Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to share a special Shopify deal you can access through the link in our video description. This fantastic offer includes a 3-day free trial and your first month for only $1, giving you a 90% discount. To grab this deal, just hit the link below. No promo codes needed. You'll be taken to a unique Shopify page where you can enter your email and start your free trial. Set your region, complete your account setup, and choose a subscription plan quickly to start building your website. Shopify offers various plans like Basic and Advanced, catering to different business sizes, but with our link, you pay just $1 for the first month. This is a great chance to explore all the powerful tools and features Shopify offers at a minimal cost. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Click the link in the description to get started. If you have any questions about the setup process or which plan to choose, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.